Good day and welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to be showing us how to save our work on GitHub and how to push it to GitHub. GitHub is a space where you can save your work on to get it, to have access to it anywhere in the world. That's the importance of GitHub. So today I'm going to be showing us how you can push your code to GitHub to save it for future references. Follow me as we get into the video. You will go to your browser, whichever browser you are using, and search for github.com. Once you get to github.com, you sign in if you have an account already, and then if you don't have an account, you will need to sign up. So let's get into this. So once you get here, you will come to this button here, create new. Then you see new issues, new repository, import repository. We'll be needing to create a new repository. And as I said earlier, repository is more like a folder in your GitHub. So you can liken it to a folder where you save your work into. The terms used for save is push. So as we go on into the video, I'll be using the terms. So you push your code into your repository. So the repository name here, you have to name it to be dev track. The name is available, and you choose. You come here, description is just a brief description of what you want to do. So dev track is this for the training session. Just let's put training, just let's add training. Then choose visibility, either public or private. Public means anyone on the internet can see this repository. You choose who can commit. Commit is who can add to it. Do you get? So private, you choose who can see and commit to this repository. Just nobody can see it unless you give them access to see it. So here we'll be leaving it in public. Add readme is a more description, more details about the project. So if you put add readme, anybody that wants to know more about the project, that wants to know what you're building, just go to the readme and then get to read about the project. You can put it on, but here I will decide to leave it off. Add git ignore. There are some things you don't want to push to GitHub. Just like, for example, your git module, your env files, you will not want to push them to GitHub because they are sensitive. Env is very sensitive. That is the environment file. It's a very sensitive file. You don't want to be pushing it to your GitHub. Then we will create repository. So now we've created our repository already. You'll be seeing this. So now this is the URL. If someone wants to search for this repository online, you just give them this URL and then they get to this repository. So we want to start or create a new, just copy this command line here, copy it, come to your code. Once you've copied that, you come to your code here. You either press Ctrl J to open your terminal, or you come to this terminal, click on it, so click on new terminal. So what you've copied, you will paste it inside this terminal, Ctrl V, and first commit. You can change this commit message. You can change it. Let's change it. Let's change it to dev track, and then we hit enter. Wait for it. Good. We have created our repository and it has been saved right into our GitHub. So now you see this. If you notice, this place has changed. Now here we are seeing green. Green means what? On track. This U we are seeing, this U here, it means on track, means GitHub is unable to track this file yet. So we need to push it. We need to push it into GitHub. So you can come here once you've downloaded your VS Code. In your VS Code, you will see the source control. Then there's something they call, in this source control, you will see the changes you are making. It gives you changes you are making. So let's save this. Let's push this into GitHub. Let's say lesson 1. So now any message you want to use to save it so you can remember, Here we'll be using lesson 1 and then commit and push. There are no stage changes to this commit. We would like to stage and commit them directly. Yes. Now we've pushed this code to GitHub. Before I show you what has happened in our GitHub profile, I would like to make some few changes here. Let's say okay. Let's say P. I made my first commit on GitHub. Now look at this. This line has changed. And look at this place. It has changed to something like lemon. Yellow. I mean orange. Sorry, orange. So now we are seeing what is writing here. Modified means you've made changes. You've modified it already. So now if this change is something you will like to commit, means save, you can just give it a new message. You can just say okay, first commit on lesson 1. You name whatever you want, so you will not have to forget. Then commit and push. Yes, you saved it to GitHub. You see this line is no more there. It has turned back to white. So that is all. So I'll be showing us what will be seen on our GitHub page. So once you're already back on your GitHub, just refresh. Now it is bringing this back. So now see what we first pushed, this folder week 1. These are fresh changes. Under week 1 folder, we are seeing our lesson 1 folder. Now we can see the code you made. These are the code you pushed to GitHub. So now here I can give you access to this anywhere in the world. I can just give you that URL and you'll be able to have access to this code and you'll be able to copy it. Do you get? So that's one of the importance of GitHub, to save your work and you can use it for future references. Then that's all about this video. I hope you enjoyed it and see you next time.